Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dhara Craft Creation. Today I will share a tutorial video on this Rakshabandhan envelope. This envelope is specially made for the Rakhi and it's a pop-up cube envelope. You can put the money, photos, chocolates in this envelope. If you yet not subscribe our channel, please go and subscribe our channel for more updates and tutorials. So I take a 12.5 by 6 inches cardstock and I divide into the 3 inch, again 3 inch, 3 inch, then 3 inch. So now at another side I score 1.5, 3 inch and 1.5 inch. As you can see, I draw pencil lines so you easily see these lines, right? So now I just mark a center of that 3 inch like this, same as another side. Now I make a triangle like this. Same thing I just draw it other side like this. Now I just cut this part which I crossed. Just cut the triangle which I mark like this. I just show you one side that how to cut this triangle. And cut that 0.5 inch off both sides like this. Now same at other side. Just fold every scored line like this. Score this half triangle too. Now it's time to for the rubber band part. I take a 2 by 1.25 inches cardstock and at 2 inches side I divide into 4 parts, means 0.5 inches each part, and I just fold half like this. Before cutting I just draw a line so you can easily see. Now I cut this line from both sides like this. You can see that I just make one slit at both sides like this. Okay, now just stick that part between two boxes like in the center like this. Okay, like this. Now I assemble this cube. So our cube is assembled now. Fold it at inside like this and just so fold it like this. Now I take two rubber bands and just make a tie between two, and you just have to pass this rubber band in that both sides slit like this. You can see same at other side. Like this, you can see. Now stick this part and our cube is ready. So our cube is ready. Yay! Now I just decorate it with the pattern papers. For the envelope, I take a 11.25 यानी कि 11.14 inch into 10 inch cardstock, and at the side of 11.14 inch I just draw a 0.5 inches 4 line like this. So you can easily see this line. For that I draw a line with the help of pencils. Now at the other side I score at 2.5, then 0.5 inches, then I score at 3.14 inch यानी कि 3.25 inch, you can say that, and again 0.5 inch. Okay, so I score at 2.5, 0.5, 3/1/4 inch and 0.5 inch like this. You can see. Now I just remove the four side part. I just remove this part of all sides. So I just cut it out like this. Now I fold lines like this. With the help of tacky tape or double tape or glue, we just stick this both side part. So I stick both side, and now our raw envelope is ready. You can say that rough envelope. Now I decorate it with the pattern papers like this, and I make a pocket at this side. So you can put photos, messages, or you can put money at that side. Now I make a shaker at the upper side. For that I take one frame which is around 7 inch by 3 inches, and apply a tacky tape. You can use a tissue tape or glue, and I just stick this acetate sheet. Now with the help of double-sided foam tape, I just make one frame like this. So it will give you can say that one gap between sequence and frame. So I just apply foam tape. Now add some colorful sequins or shakers. I used sequins. Now just stick this frame and properly press it, so it will give a good result to your shakers. You can see this, how beautiful it is. Okay, and I just stick these all elements and stick this border on this pocket like this. I just add this cardstock for the photo purpose at this in this pocket. For that I just used a eyelet machine and press this eyelet like this. You can see. Now I just tie this thread, and ta-da, our envelope is ready. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for the more tutorials. Till then,